Yes.
May Russell, I like to mention item number 6.
Yes.
I'm appealing you have Itapak. Senior counsel is out of session. So
Who is senior counsel?
Itapak.
Okay. So
After this matter, after 2 weeks.
your name, please.
B. Sibo.
Mr. B. Sibo, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Itapak.
his senior counsel, Mr. T. Tapat, submits that Mr. T. Tapat requested difficulty for press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I for the victim.
MS so and so,
Sir,
Searing learned legal aid counsel,
LSC.
Legal aid counsel. LAC what? Is what? Line of actual control. Legal aid counsel is present. Prayer is accepted. List the matter after.
May I please, Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 5, criminal appeal. I, on behalf of the appellant side, legal aid counsel. In this matter, Your Honor, till date I have not received the paper book. So may after receive the paper book, after 1 week or 2 weeks.
Last 3 occasions you have mentioned and prepared. Then you didn't say anything about the paper book. Yes. Earlier, there was a no. Well, let's see. It's the forest. Okay. It is submitted by Mr. M. Bagra, London Legal Aid Counsel to the appellant, that he has not been furnished with what therefore that one prepared the matter. They raised it to furnish the paper book to the London Legal Aid Counsel, Mr. M. Bagra.
I for the victim.
Mr. MS T. London Additional PP and Mr. MSC Eric London Legal Aid Counsel are present. This is the matter after 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
If possible, my Lord, 5 September.
This is the matter on 5/09/2020.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
Item number 1.
5th of September. Yes. File any affidavit.
No.
Can you dispose of without the petition?
There are private parties.
Notices are Completed. Non-appeals for the petitioner, appellant of 4 MS. P. Sangeeta, London, State Council, representing the respondent number
1 to 4.
124 is present. It is noticed that there are other 5 respondents. Mr. Howard, there is no indication as to whether the notices have been served or not. Mr. French to verify. This of the weeks.
Item number 2.
Yes, sir. That AG has to give a challenge to the act.
Notice has not been issued to AG.
Notice, I believe, was issued. It was issued, madam.
Yeah. So,
After, can it be taken up?
well, first you file. Why not filing affidavit?
File that.
Affidavit is
Not required, but basically, challenging the wires of subsection 1 and subsection 2 of section 6 of Arunachal Pradesh Urban Local Bodies Disqualification on Grounds of Defection Act 2014. Well, the basic contention in this case is that the State Election Commission is a quasi-judicial body. Now, decision of a quasi-judicial body, Chief Secretary has been made as an appellate authority. And if required be so,
You'll
the
act as
concerned minister.
he will also act as a quasi judicial body.
No, but there will be a conflict of interest. If my lord see that Justice Iyer and this Kesavananda Bharti judgment, paragraph 528, if my lord see that independence of quasi-judicial body must be maintained. So therefore, there cannot be any jurisdictional overlapping by the executive. That is the only ground that in any case, my lord, the learned AG was also here with us.
That is not Kesavananda Bharti, that is L. Chandrakumar.
That is subsequent, 1979.
On the issue and the topic which you are,
I
trying to raise
Yes,
regarding the tribunal and all other things, it's L. Chandrakumar,
referred to.
1998.
Yes, no. 1994 SSC.
Okay. And Mr. Titi Tara, then counsel for the commission. You don't want to file affidavit.
Question of law.
Are you sure?
Yes, madam. This is only the interpretation and question.
You don't want to file.
File up this. I'll seek instruction from the if he wants to.
Okay. The challenge in this writ petition is to the whereas of subsection 1 and 2 of section 6 of Arunachal Pradesh Urban Local Bodies within bracket disqualification on the ground of defection bracket plus Act 2014. List of since it is submitted by Mr. N. Rathan, Edison Advocate General, that since the virus of the provisions of the Act is put to challenge, the learned Advocate General will appear in the matter to address the court. Therefore, press for listing of the matter, press for an adjournment to 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Praise the Lord. Let this matter be listed up.
Grateful.
I think it would be better if you can file affidavit when it will be question of law. It will be more convenient for the parties and the court.
That
Then
is
you
great
will
help to me also in formulating the question of
Not
law
say-
to be argued.
Not say anything. But then better.
Yeah, but my lord is correct. It is
Including-
good for the bench and us also
Yes,
for formulating the question of law and the argument part.
yes.
Grateful.
Item number 3.
Yes, any improvement? Have you completed the maintenance? What? Yes.
We have to balance it out with the negative and positive, Miller.
400?
Yes. Of course, Miller, this is not an adversarial litigation as such.
400?
93. Problem has to be tackled. Otherwise, it becomes a perennial problem, Miller. Even if the work is complete, Miller, these things should be coming up time and again. What work has been done without being undone, Miller, because of the silting and all. Yes, sir. That's fine. But maintenance part, Miller, it's been carried out, Miller.
I'm sure.
Yes, yes, Miller. My instructions, Miller.
We expect.
Yes, yes, that your lordship can. But the pillars have not come up. My friend is correct when he is calculating on that. But once we come to the dry season, we'll also have enforcement, so that will increase the thing, so that it can work. We'll have to, otherwise, if a work is being delayed, it is the contractor who is also losing, because we have got fixed costs. It's not that it is in the interest of the contractor. And so place and restrictions, as regard the escalation in your lordship's order in this proceeding. So it's Lord, we'll have to bear the brunt, Lord. Work with that limitations, Lord, because we'll have to increase it, Lord. There is no other, yes.
That's the way it was the order. At that point also they had five. I got it. I
And Lord,
they have five. Everybody sees it. There's not even the one. Who has not come.
because till now, Lord, we have 78 pillars being done, Lord, foundation part and all. 71 is yet to be done. Lord, we are aware of this. And so far as some of that, Lord, there is an issue of alignment which has been pointed out to your lordships, because some organizations have placed that, Lord, that is being looked into now, Lord, because that also has to be finalized, because otherwise there would be a change of alignment or the initial part of, or the, Lord, the later part of it. So these things are being already been discussed.
How many pillars?
149.
No. How many? The change of, what do you call?
Lord, there is a proposal, Lord. Lord, there is the authorities who will say, Lord,
Suppose if it is, I mean, this.
5 or 6, 5 or 6 Lords, I think.
At least. 40 pillars.
No, that will do, because it's from the, Lord, we are lagging behind, Lord. That's, no, Lord, I am not saying that, Lord. We be, as on date, Lord, we are lagging behind, Lord.
Don't want to lag behind. Want to go.
Yes. Lord, probably, Lord, the rainy seasons being over, Lord, we'll have, yes. And because your lordships, Lord, directions, Lord, that some work has progressed. But I must admit on that part, Lord.
Are you sure the maintenance part from Varapani? No, it's complete.
Not complete, Lord. It can't be complete, Lord. It's a regular exercise, Lord. I can't say that it's complete.
Last time, the officer had.
Yes.
Representative has assured that it's complete within fortnight.
Lord, that part
Fortnight
has,
is complete.
that part has been, and Lord, so far as, Lord, coming to this, Lord, we have, Lord, time, Lord, we have, Lord, worked out the maintenance part of it. It's not that the work has not been done on that. And it's a regular phenomenon.
Assured that your representative assured that contractor assured that will complete it within fortnight. That's why we have fixed the matter today.
My Lord,
How honest you are.
Lord,
But just on the
no, it's not that happened before this.
oral
Lord.
assurance. What record?
Yes, no, that was there. And
That's why we're asking whether you have completed the maintenance part.
Lord, it's not, respect, Lord, yes. Page 491, C clause.
No, completion, complete, it's not with complete, my lord. It's a regular ongoing work, my lord. There is a, and between when rains come, my lord, again, my lord, the same difficulty arises, my lord. The same work has to be repeated again and again, my lord.
It's all right, but then why you not assured that you complete it?
Well, Can I make one?
This change of scope and all this thing, you have already submitted.
Yes, yes.
Then consider it. Not say, we'll say not say anything. If they not accept, then we may
My lord.
the past completely out. They will not say. It has been submitted, proposal is just submitted, right?
My-
But granting you some more time,
My lord.
another fortnight, so that you complete as a short.
My lord, can I pray? My lord, lordship, give us this time a longer date, my lord. My lord, probably, my lord, we come with better things. But fortnight, my lord. And probably, my lord, the rainy season should also, my lord, will come with, my lord, better, my lord, overtake.
But we're
Yes.
seeing it after the fortnight. Yes. Complete. Not miss that. Deepak, that also. Notice. Yes, additional advocate general. Who has to consider this? The proposal. Which authority?
Basically, mods, my lord.
More-
My lord, it has to route it through them only, lord. Otherwise, we are the executing. So both of them are aware. It's not that they are not aware of it. My
For this proposal.
Let me indicate that we have submitted a proposal to the authorities. That part,
It's it that
well,
this is.
Yes.
proposal.
yes,
Until
my friends can take instructions on that.
Next para. So far as we proposal, what proposal which is
Change of scope, my lord.
change of scope is reflected, Mr. Just. Submit.
Lordship has given 3 weeks notice for workout, my lord, so that we can also indicate.
No, you cannot say that will be still.
No, no,
You'll be filing a status, you indicate
Lord,
how much.
May I
progress-
indicate one thing, Lord?
How much
Yes,
progress we
that-
have
that-
done in 2 weeks and another 2 weeks, yes, indicate that.
The Lordship will be giving a fixed date, man.
Yes. List on.
Can I be on 3rd or 4th of
List on
September, man?
weeks, you just say list on
3rd or 4th September, man.
09.
Item number 4.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this writ appeal was preferred against the judgment ordered in 2/6/2025, passed by learned single judge. And while preferring that, there's a delay of 40 days, my lord. So, my lord, I filed a missed case for condonation of delay. My lord, let the notice be go, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, notice may be issued, my lord, in this case, my lord. It's a missed case is for condonation of delay, my lord.
Forty days delay in filing the writ appeal. It's a writ appeal or what?
Writ appeal, my lord.
It's a writ appeal.
My lord, writ appeal, my lord.
Connected writ appeal. WA 37 of 2025 should be done by 3 weeks. This matter that submission notice. Up with within 2 working days.
My lord, highly obliged, my lord.
My lord, I want to mention unlisted matter. matter the transfer posting. I haven't transferred twice in a month. I haven't transferred, so my matter may be above.
My lord, I beg to mention at number 16, my lord. My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw this matter with liberty to file afresh, my lord. There's a certain development, my lord, subsequently. Yes, my lord.
Mr. Submits the
Your Lordship, may I mention item number 9?
9.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, connecting council, Your Lordship, they comes from Guwahati. This morning, they couldn't make it due to some personal difficulty. So, we have taken the consent from the other side. So, kindly, Your Lordship, fix it.
What's there? What remains there? It's all over. Anyway, item 9
Yes, yes. August 25, Your Lordship, kindly.
on the prayer of Mr.
M. Khambo,
M. Kambo,
on behalf of Mr. S. Sharma.
that Watson, A. Kambo, A.S. and
Yes, Sharma.
that Watson to the police. That is next to previous day.
Kindly, fix on August 25.
Your point. September,
No, August 25. Oh, sorry. August 25.
August over. 5 August is over now.
Uh,
When?
so
5th of August.
25.
25th,
Yes, August.
25th.
Yes, 25.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord.
0.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my senior employee is having health issues, therefore, my lord, this matter may be
2019 matter. What's the
for a week, my lord. He's having health issues.
on the ground that the city council, Mr. M. Bertilles, is unwell about this is 6 weeks time for this to be better. Considering that
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Declare. Item number 12. May be listed after 26, since leading councils of the state. It's land compensation.
Item number 1.
May I, my lord?
Yeah.
My lord, this is a bill application filed under section 483, your lordship, DNS. Your lordship, this is connection with the same matter of item number 10 and 11, your lordship.
Yeah.
Your lordship, this matter may be here on 10 and 11 item, like yours.
10 and 11. Are you appearing? Yes. Yes, Daddy. I mean,
Yes, this item number 1 was,
trial court records.
yes,
Trial court records you have,
no, no,
you have,
no. May I be called for?
I think 10 and 11.
In that also,
Same
10
connected
and
matter,
11
your
records is there. Bail application is against whom?
Your Lordship, this
Yes, for whom?
this bail application is against for accused number Amit Kumar Thakur
Amit Kumar Thakur.
and Guddu Kumar, Your Lordship,
Huh?
and Guddu Kumar.
This is a subsequent bail applications. Once earlier, it was rejected by your lordship.
Where is the rejection? Where is the rejection order? And the earlier order?
Not enforced here. Under rejection.
I pray your Lordship, this item will be here on item number 11 and 10, Your Lordship. Leading counsel is stopped in traffic, Your Lordship. MK Singh.
Page 22 is rejection order. Page 22 is rejection order.
Page 22?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name, bro?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, during the arrest, the IO, police IO is not issue notice and not maintain Article 21 and 50 of Constitution of India, Your Lordship.
Well, it's small, on. Charging filed, the trial is on. This is in respect of Amit Kumar Thakur.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For Guttu
Guttu
Kumar.
Kumar. Yes, Lordship.
Both.
What, yes, Lordship.
Huh? For the accused.
Yes, Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter is led by MK Singh, Your Lordship. He is stuck in way, Your Lordship.
Enlarge the accused person on the, you have to mention the name also.
Okay, Your Lordship.
What is that? You get me?
K. Moses, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Kyoda Moses.
Game of it.
Yes, Lord.
Learning concept program. Applicant. Is the. Is it?
Case number 03, public 2024.
Sir, this is.
Oh.
It's a PS case.
Yes, oh. 04 2024.
For
2024.
04.
Slash 2024. Okay. Let's be over here.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, this petition filed in connection with the circular issued by the electoral registration officer, K. Pioneer District, Chile. My lord, what circular is issued, that is annexure 1 page number 26. It is not much visible, my lord. 27 or not, it is typed copy. It is visible, my lord. So here, there are two rounds. Hearing for claim and objection fixed by the electoral officer in two categories. One, that is from 20 to 27 May. And thereafter again, sorry, my lord, 9 to 17. Again, second round of claim and objection that is fixed for 20 to 27. Here, my lord, my village comes under serial number 6, second round, serial number 6, 27/5 to 10/25. That is 5 date, show office date. So claim and objection is fixed on 27/5/2025 at date, my lord. So electoral revision why took place, my lord, 01/01/2005 by the qualified date. And my lord, after revision, they have fixed for this date for claim and objection, for filing of claim and objection, my lord. So accordingly, on 27/5/2025, we are appeared here. But the assistant electoral officer did is not allowed to file our claim and objection, Form 5, 6, 7. We have not been allowed. Even since morning, we are there at 4:30 p.m. The office was closed, hearing was closed, and we have not been allowed to participate there on very day of the hearing, my lord. So here, my lord, some persons are enrolled in 511 Namko Tago Gram segment from other segments, my lord, who are not resident of that Gram segment, my lord. So in that issue, we have filed claim and objection to raise the issue of their non-resident of that constituency, my lord. So we have not been allowed. Then, my lord, after that, we have this assistant electoral registration officer has not been allowed from 27/5 to 10/25. So we have not been allowed.
When did you notice?
My lord.
Yes.
And my lord, here my specific prayer is that we have filed a complaint on 28th May and on 2nd June and again on 3rd June. And even we have filed a complaint against the state election officer. State election commission has issued direction to the deputy district election officer yesterday to dispose of our complaint. And again, filed a complaint on 19th June 2025. But all complaints are pending before the district election officer without any interference. Here, my prayer is that, my lord, direction may be issued to the respondent number 2 with the district election officer, K. Panjim District yesterday, to dispose of my complaint, my lord. Whatsoever order may be passed, may be wrong or rightly, my lord. Only dispose of my complaint before publishing of the final electoral roll, my lord. This is only my submission, my lord, before this court.
My lord, sorry to say, my lord, this is the second round of litigation. Their complaint is against inclusion of certain individuals, which in the earlier round of litigation, they did not make a part. Still in this also, they did not make a part. My lord will kindly see the notification at page 27 also. Because simple direction to dispose of the repetition, their representation will create this floodgate, my lord.
Yes, you are claiming that there are some persons who have been wrongly enrolled. Affected party.
And this they have
affected.
even not objection before within 7 days of the publication of draft.
No, that's why.
And then they have not filed their objection within that period of 7 days. This is only after the hearing is fixed. My lord will kindly see the hearings of claims and objections. At page 27, it says the hearings for claims and objection of Jila Parishad so and so forth. Dates are fixed. Then on these dates, what is the requirement? Therefore, all the DOs, BLAs of Jila
constituency of Kipanyo district are directed to be present during the hearing of claims and objection. The applicant listed in forms 7, 8, and 9 shall attend in person with documents in original. Here, forms 7, 8, and 9. These are issued. There is a list given. Form 7, 8, and 9. Who are the objectors? Who are the persons against whom objections are made? The list are given. Now they have. This is on 27/5/25. Their objection is after that. Already within 7 days, those who have made their objections, their lists are there. Persons against whom objections are made, their proper persons names are given in this list forms. My lord will kindly see the rules also.
You make them party,
My lord.
withdraw and file a print.
I will
Earlier
file a-
also that was withdrawn
My lord, here
only for that.
case is not that. We have submitted all form 5,
No,
section
in
7
any-
report it.
No, in any case, wrongly or rightly, some persons according to you have been wrongly, have been endorsed. 14% were not the residents of the area. That place. They be affected.
Our claims and objection form has not been, my lord, before that, this is the first hearing conducted by
Anyway, what's the problem? You know, who have been wrongly endorsed according to you?
my lord, this
20%, you said 14%. You said 14% have been wrongly enrolled
yes,
as a voter.
yes.
Who are they?
They are from the other segment.
Who are they? You know them.
Some of them I know, but some of them I don't know.
You can say that how the hearing will be, how you can put it up.
No, my lord,
If you don't know who have been wrongly enrolled.
my lord, this is the first hearing. 28.
Right, sir. See, you are claiming that wrongly 40% have been enrolled
Yes,
in what is it called?
and Namko Tago Gram segment.
Namko Tago Gram Settlement, who is not a permanent resident.
Yes,
Who are these people?
these are from other punch, my lord.
Therefore, you make the party, you will see.
And some of them are from the same panchayat of the same, some other segment, Gram segment. my lord.
Take that, file there, make that party. It is the only issue.
All right, my lord.
Withdraw.
My lord, in the form of implement, I will file that.
Huh?
Implement. With this repetition, I will implement a necessary party.
Withdraw the petition, make the see what is not, that's all.
Right.
Again, we'll have to dispose of your application for impeachment. Again, you will be allowed to file amended post title.
All right, my lord, with liberty, my lord.
Why you have taken it? Why you have withdrawn the earlier petition?
My lord, some technical error right there.
This was the ground. Initially also this was the same ground.
The other technical ground was also there. Clerical error was also there.
Of the objection raised.
Okay. Mr. Enter the land consent to the submits. Submits that. Allowed.
Officer. A Pioneer district yesterday.
Respect of 5-1. 5/1 this Namco Tago from percent under 5.1 10% of their village under the administrative circle of pay by your district. Have not been then not headed response.
Item number 3.
What is the last date of submission?
Lordship, this tender has been already awarded to the private respondent.
It's finished. Better
That's already awarded. Lordship. Now the thing is that Lordship,
you said you have not been given an opportunity
Yes.
to obtain the tender paper.
yes. Lordship, now work is still not started. The work is still not started, Lordship.
Wait, you have not participated?
No,
at
no,
all?
Lordship, come to my clearing, Lordship.
When was the last date of
No,
the
actually,
submission?
last date, what happened on, that was fixed on, the July, 18 July is Lordship, that's Friday, and 19 is Saturday, and 20 is Sunday, Lordship.
21 open.
21 is last day for the submission of the tender paper. So what happened, Lordship,
Have
on
you tried
18,
on, have you tried on last day?
Lordship,
21st?
21st is Lordship, that is for the, to submit the documents of the tender. But in this case, what happened, Lordship, I have not given single opportunity to purchase the tender paper. That is the issue. I am eligibility in this tender. Moreover, in this case, Lordship, there is violation is very clear, Lordship.
How do you believe?
Lordship, I have even submitted my representation also, Lordship. I have submitted my representation. I have sent one legal notice also, Lordship. Annexure number 5, Lordship. On 17 itself also, Lordship, I have submitted one representation to the executive engineer Daporejo. At least extend the time for the participants of tender to purchase the tender paper, Lordship. But what happened, Lordship? On that day 18, I came to the office, but no single officer were there, Lordship.
That's why
Only
it's
some
hard-
peon,
It's hard
till-
to believe.
Lordship, my CCTV also there.
And you did try on 21st also.
Last
Last day of
no,
sending the
Lordship, 18 only one day I have given to purchase the tender pen. On that day,
21 what time? On 21?
21, that is submission of the tender purchase document. That is last day for the submission of document. But in this case, I have not given single chance to purchase the tender paper. That is the issue, Lordship. Moreover, in a Lordship, what happened is this tender document.
Work has already been awarded.
But Lordship, there is a
Suppose-
violation
suppose-
of the
suppose-
statutory
suppose
provisions.
If
Lordship.
we agree,
Oh.
if we accept your submission, can you do anything now?
Lordship, yes, that
Can
can
we
be.
ask you to provide the tender paper and then to submit and then again
Lordship, my
redo it on this thing?
Lordship, my prayer is to retender, to set aside that press notice. Very interesting, Lordship, in this case.
This construction of what?
Regarding that is hostel building for working women in Upper Subansiri district.
Oh, very, very.
Yes. Lordship, what happened? See, page number 27, this is very,
For women, working women.
yes, Lordship. 35 seated, Lordship. So this, in page 27 is very clear, Lordship. See. Page 27, Lordship, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Office of the Water Resource Department Division, Daporejo, press notice. The Executive Resource Department Division, Daporejo, Upper Suban District, on behalf of Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, invites seal tender in CPWD Form 8 from the approved and eligible register firm, contractor of appropriate classes, domicile. Yes, Lordship. Page 27, Lordship. Yes, this is the first press notice which petitioner came to know. Lordship. It is published in Arunachal Age in July 8 of 2025. Lordship. So, Lordship, below see serial number 3. Document can be purchased from the Office of the Assistant Engineer,
Water Resource Subdivision Daporejo on all working days on payment of cost of the tender paper in case within bracket non-refundable and from 1,000 hours to 1400 hours on 18 July 2025 up to 20 July 2025. Lordship. So 18 July is Lordship Friday, only one day. It is impossible to purchase tender document one day and I have to submit tender document on Monday. It is very impossible within one day. Lordship. Here are lots of the paperwork. So on Saturday and 20 is Sunday is the office of the.
Does it say that office will take it is 18, 20, 3 days?
But 3 days, Lordship, what happened? On 18 only office was open. So Saturday, Sunday it was closed. I have personally visited Lordship. This is the problem.
It doesn't say that only on working day.
Lordship, in this, what, no, Lordship.
What you have fixed the date for purchase or obtaining of the tender documents, Saturday and Sunday, it will remain closed.
Lordship, but at least Lordship, as per this CPWD Lordship manual.
14 days.
Yes, 14 days.
7 days.
Yes.
7 days.
14 days Lordship at least. It's the cost of the, it's the estimate cost of the tender is 6 crore above.
Yes, sir. It is to be jumping head brewed in the department. Why states? 19 years from and 19 and 20 is Sunday. I may be able to take it. Better to take instruction.
Oh, no.
And the manual requires that the minimum 14 days.
14
Yes,
days.
exactly.
Something more.
Manual talks about the 14 days. The amount of more than 5 crore was it?
6 crore.
Yes. One more violation is there, Lordship. Arunachal Pradesh district-based entrepreneurs, that's Rule 5 also. That is Rule 5, Lordship. Above 3 crore and up to 8 all registered contractor in class 2, but in their notice class 4. That's the violation, very clear.
Plus 4.
Page number 44, Lordship.
Okay.
One Lordship, serial number 1. The registered contractor in class 4 category. Yes.
Category 4.
Yes, category 4. But as per this district-based entrepreneurs, it should be class 2.
Yeah.
Yes, this is also violation. At least whatever Lordship, the reject also. Already given Lordship. Even the
So with
all right.
but only next week. Next week.
Those.
Yeah, forever is gone.
Private
One private.
I have one private is private. Wednesday.
Next, no. Let's do it. Anyway, heard Mr. Tito that counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, press notice on. Yes, NIT. The page number 27, Lordship. Date of NIT, Lordship, published on newspaper on 8 July 2025. 25.
0808.
0807 2025.
0807.
Yes.
Where do we get it?
It page Lordship.
Page number 26. Yes. Arunachal Edge.
No, we'll see NIT.
NIT.
Challenging NIT. Published.
Chapter 4, close lordship.
Let's give the number.
This lordship. Yes, annex. Page number 43 lordship. Annexure. Arunachal Pradesh district best entrepreneurs and professionals in sanitary development and promotional sector.
2020.
15 lordship, 15.
As amended in 2020, right?
Yes.
What it is?
Page 44.
Relevant is it page 44. Last one. Provides that up to
That is serial number
Serial
5.
number five.
Schedule.
above 1 crore,
No, no,
Above three.
above 3 crore lordship.
serial number 5. Yep. Above 3 crores. Around 8 crore. All the registered contractors. Commission. Take it. Mathematics on 28. Process of tender, like what would be complete. That day. Okay. That's what it takes.
It may be fixed for 26.
26.
Yes.
Item number 4.
Then what do we say? What about the, since we are not issuing notice, no steps in required. Close. What the notice or
It's not Actually, now, actually, I need interim prayer, Lordship. Now, the thing is that, Lordship, we have tried to obtain the documents, the work which about. Yes.
So petitioner, in this case, petitioner apply for an enrollment certificate for advocate before the State Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh.
You have not been.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Denied?
Lordship, they not disclose anything of the ground for not issuing enrollment certificate to
Like to know them. Will issue notice.
Lordship may dispose of the matter by directing the Bar Council to dispose of the representation submitted by the petitioner.
Will not be appropriate. What is the next exam?
Next exam, Lordship, that's I don't have idea. My last submit the enrollment certificate on 21/09/2025. This will be the last day.
I'm asking, what is the next AID?
Let's see. That's I don't have an idea.
Council. Bar council will be there. Yeah, I think it's the council.
Now, but standing council.
Structure. you have disclosed that 12 cases pending against?
As per the as per the form of
Yes, 12 cases.
I have tried page 14.
14.
For that reason, I yes, Lordship.
Why shoulder? Somewhere earlier.
Earlier, I was that answer from the
But Mr. Emmett, Clerk Council for the Commission. Number 10. Contains the enrollments. But state bar council. But submitted. That constitute this submits the spread compliance and submission of all the that's hereby. Bar council. So upper exact name of exact nomenclature of the Council of India rules. You have to copy. Next. As per the Bar Council of India rules also. Candidates are required to submit a copy of the State Bar Council enrollment certificate. And the original will pass 6 months. They will be here. Filed by the Singapore.
Item number 5.
It is Lordship. So I'm presenting JJ Enterprise. Here. It's a form dated 15 February. NIT was issued by respondent number 3, Executive Engineer. The Housing Department of Taporizo, the state of Upper the district of Upper Subansiri. Yes. Hereby, Lordship, my firm had taken participation upon it, along with the 2 other firms, namely Sonia Enterprise and TD Trade Center. Now, on Lordship, 3rd March 2025, the Board of Evaluation Committee had opened the technical bid of the document. Thereby, my firm was rejected on the technical ground that I have not filed the EMD on duly time. Whereas the second, Sonia Enterprise was also rejected on the ground that the proprietor of the Sonia Enterprise is the direct immediate relative to the assistant engineer of the department. Now, the course of action starts here, Lordship. The 3rd firm, TD Trade Center, was alone qualified for the financial bid. Now, it is to inform before this honorable court that the proprietor of the TD Trade Center, Lordship, is a brother-in-law of the assistant engineer Salomosi, namely Salomosi, in the Department of Urban Development and Housing, Taporizo.
Son-in-law or brother-in-law?
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law, son-in-law.
Brother-in-law.
You have written son-in-law.
No, Lordship, the proprietor of Sonia Enterprise, the second firm, he is the biological father of the assistant engineer. And the proprietor of TD Trade is the brother-in-law who married the elder sister.
That's what I'm saying. You have written son-in-law.
Before, Lordship, I want to read one guidelines. Lordship will come in.
Brother-in-law or son-in-law?
Brother.
Synopsis, you see the synopsis. It says proprietor of the private restaurant TD Trade Center is son-in-law of the assistant engineer.
Number 8 provides that they shall not be permitted to tender for work in the circle of department responsible for award and execution of contract in which their near relative is or are posted as a divisional accountant or as an officer between the grade of superintendent engineer and junior engineer, both inclusively. They should also intimate to the office the names of the person who are working with them in any capacity or are subsequently employed by them, who are near relatives of any officer in the department. Any breach of this condition by the contractors shall render them liable to be removed from the approved contractors. Now, again, I want another guideline. Page number 31. It's guideline of NIT. Page number 31, serial number 14, para number 14. The contractor shall not be permitted to tender for work in the chief engineer or any work department under the serial number
Yes, page number 31, para number 14.
14. Yes.
A contractor shall not be permitted to tender for work in the chief engineer or any work department under the state of Arunachal Pradesh responsible for award or execution of contract in which his near relative is posted as a divisional accountant or as an officer in any capacity between the grade engineer and junior engineer, both inclusively. He shall also intimate the name of the person who was working within him in any capacity or a subsequent employee by him and who are near relatives to any gazetted officer in the department. Any breach of the condition by the contractor would render him liable to remove from the list of the contract or his department. In simple words, the proprietor of TD Trade is brother-in-law who married the biological elder sister of the assistant engineer of the department, Dapurejo. Therefore, Department of Urban and Housing and Development, Dapurejo, the district of Upper Subansiri.
So what can we do now? Tender is completed. Process
No.
complete.
No.
Process
Merely
has
began.
Huh?
Merely began.
What is the stage?
I do not know the exact stage.
The technical bid was opened on 3rd March. Now it's already August.
No, I have filed the representation agreed by the order. Then they did not reply. They had not given me any response upon my representation. Again, I had filed one legal notice through my counsel. Thereby, on 28th March, they have replied. But in the reply of the legal notice, they had mentioned that.
Are you challenging your rejection?
No.
Are you challenging your rejection?
No. But that is not my prior concern.
That is your first concern.
Yes.
If you are not agreed,
I am agreed.
it's other.
I am agreed. How? Because the guideline itself says that
It's okay, guideline we may look into that subsequently. First you establish your right, how you are agreed by your rejection. You are agreeable to that you have been proper validly rejected.
yes, I'll prove it.
If you agree that, then are you challenging your rejection?
Yes, as well.
Yes.
Lordship, I was rejected on the ground that I have filed EMD on duly time. Now this TD trade they have filed the EMD, but there are lacunas as well. I'll prove it.
We'll come to that about TD. How about you?
Yes.
Is it a ground for rejection of your technical bid?
Yes. Lordship, they are all family. Together they have
Family, we'll see. They are all family.
yes.
Forget about it. First, you establish that what your right has been, any right of yours have been infringed or not.
Yes, Lordship.
How? If you have not filed the EMD
I have filed
as required, it's a ground for rejection. Good ground for if you are out, forget about others.
no, Lordship, but the person who has been appointed is also illegal. It may be re-advertised. The NIT may be open up for re-advertisement.
We'll come to that. First, you show us what right has been infringed of yours. What right of yours has been infringed? Whether your rejection of technical bid is.
Yes, Lordship, I understood.
Yes, you establish that. Go to the next.
Lordship, on 3rd March, the board of the committee, evaluation committee, they have opened the technical bid. Now, what did they, Lordship, my submission was, my EMD, they said I have not submitted on duly time. But the TD Trade Center who was non-qualified, this is the same ground only. We both have submitted the EMD, but my one was rejected. The EMD of TD Trade Center was qualified.
NIT. Connection number 2. Page number 20. Where is your rejection? Rejection. It's Lordship, we filed the RTI, but we did not get the response regarding the rejection order. How do you know that this has been any award and any other order in favor of the private respondent? No. Financial bid evaluation. Lordship, I have filed the legal notice through my counsel and they have given the reply. That speaks a lot. It will come in the where it is. Page number 133. 133. 123. 23. 123. Yes, that's 123. Yes. Para number 4. As far as your representation letter dated 12 March 2025 is concerned, the department has scrutinized the bids of remaining two firms, TD Trade Center and MS Sonia Enterprise. During the scrutiny, the bid of MS Sonia Enterprise was rejected, considering immediate relative working under the Daporejo division and consider TD Trade Center as loan qualified bidder. Your rejection was that you have deposited EMD on 01/03/2025, where it is to be deposited on or before 28th, for which I have fairly submitted. You're out. No, Lordship, letter ends there. No, Lordship, may my prayer be, you justify that. You justify that your technical bid would not have been rejected. My first concern of coming before His Honorable Court, Lordship, may it be re-advertised, because there is numerous lacunas
The heard Mr. So and so, learning counsel for the petitioner. Your name, please? S. Inti. S. Inti. S. Inti. Inti. You are from? I'm from Balijan. Balijan. Inti. Okay. Inti. Inti. Learning counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the acceptance of the financial bit of respondent number 5. Respondent number 5, namely measures MS, DD Trade Center, Village Dulam, Upper Subanshin District, Arunachal Pradesh, on the ground that the proprietor of the said farm is a near relative of the officers working in the Department of, what is it, Urban Housing and Development. Urban Development and Housing. That's right. Yes. So and so. Challenge made in this person, huh? What is it? You just then you just continue. Pursuant to the NIT dated NIT dated 15 February 15/02/2025 for the work of accommodation government officers and staffs in all the districts in Daparijo, Upper Subanshin District. Then Daparijo. The next paragraph. It is the contention of the petitioner that as per the guidelines as well as the terms of the tender, the contractor shall not be permitted to tender for works Respond number 5. Brother-in-law of the trade center. The is the brother-in-law for whom? The assistant engineer. Assistant engineer. Assistant engineer who is working, who is serving in the urban development department, Daporijo. Designated as assistant engineer. Stop. Issue notice returnable by, for which is since Mr. Lordship, senior government advocate enters appearance notice on behalf of respondent number 1 to 4. No formal notice made, however, except for Lordship, my petitioner is to take a stage for service of notice upon respondent number 5 are listed for so and so. Yes, my last prayer is that 2 working days. Yes. The Sonia Enterprise will never put allegation against the present PD trade center because he is the biological father. Therefore, I am the only one. Biological father of what? Biological father of the assistant engineer. Solomon. So they are all together only. If I am like set aside, then don't sit. You cannot rest. No. We'll see. Illegal thing will go on. And they have awarded arbitrarily. That's why. No, first you please. That's why I've given you enough opportunity to at least show that your rejection of your technical bid is illegal or it is not properly, it's not proper. And maybe even with the interim as well. Huh? Interim. It's the question of his rejection is not challenged. That's what I'm saying. First you have to challenge. You are admitting lordship public. So that's what I'm one of the public. So I'm challenging. I will not make any observations so that it should may not it may I mean if I make more observation, it may prejudice in future dealing with adjudicates is better. Better keep quiet. We'll see. Let's file the affidavit. Right? The next hearing. How you say that he's the brother-in-law? Primary story is the brother-in-law of the assistant engineer. Where it is? Any document? No. Then peruse it. Huh? Peruse it. So how do you say that he's the brother? Respondent number 5 is the brother proprietor. Respondent number 5 is the brother-in-law of the assistant engineer. Biologically in relation, they are already. Any documents to show? They hard to believe.
I'm from we are from same place. I'm from the same place. I know them. This son is the assistant engineer. And father, this was rejected due to the representation.
Sorry, sir.
And this,
Sorry, sir. We don't go by the personal.
I know that this the brother-in-law only, or biological the brother-in-law only, because
what do you mean by biological brother-in-law?
no, that assistant engineer holding post of the assistant engineer.
What do you mean by biological father-in-law?
The
brother-in-law.
No, that's assistant engineer and that the.
So tell us what do you mean by biological brother-in-law?
Biological, that is the just the blood. That is the own father, own mother.
Are you connected to this?
Yeah, that's why.
Are you connected to the writ petition?
Yes.
Are you appearing?
No, he is appearing. He is no confusion. That's why I'm.
No, there is no confusion. I just say any documents to show that whether he's how he's I mean, show that. Why not? We don't seek third party intervention.
I'm also connected in this case.
How?
Because we are in the same associate in this case.
Okay. Yes. So you be either you argue or allow him to argue.
No, that's
anyway. We'll see.
I don't want.
If you want to argue while you're Bakalatna, we'll definitely allow you.
Even then, because I know them, they are close relative. So that's only.
So who would like to know tomorrow that what do you mean by biological brother-in-law?
No, this
on Independence Day.
No, that's
we'll have that discussion outside the court.
that can be possible.
Okay, thank
Sorry
you.
for that.
Excellent.
Item number 7.
Yes. They are not interested. They are not interested or what?
No idea whether they have missed out or they are not more interested.
No,
not appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. 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 London Edison is present. Various office notes. No, the records reveal that despite granting of several times for filing certificate in reply, no affidavit by the petitioner. It appears that the petitioner the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this petition accordingly. The petitioner is not permission. Okay.
Item number 8.
Your Lordship, would like to withdraw this petition, Your Lordship. Yes, yes, Your Lordship, but yes, Lordship, we would like to withdraw this. Yes, Lordship.
Withdraw.
Yes,
Or
Lordship.
Mr.
K. Terry, Your Lordship.
K. Terry,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Council for the. His name recorded, your name.
His name may be recorded.
Learned Council for the petitioner. Who submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. That's all.
Yes,
That's
Your
all.
Lordship. Yes.
Mr.
Actually, his name is not.
Your name is there. So you want to withdraw? Yes. So in this list, M. Kato, that consequence. Mr. T. Tagok, Planet Spending Council, Education.
Yes, ma'am.
Department is present. Accordingly, the prayer for withdrawal of the petition is accepted. Please stop accordingly. The petition stands disposed of on withdrawal.
Item number 10 and 11.
Must. My Lord, leading council not yet reach, Your Lordship. This matter, this matter pass over after some matter, Your Lordship.
Item number 12.
Well,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
This writ petition is about a community led.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, why the matter is listed for orders? Let us see. Affidavit has
Yes, Your
been
Lordship.
filed.
Yes, we have filed our additional affidavit.
You are
to-
filing.
Yes, we have filed already, Your Lordship, summary of award to bring on the records, Your Lordship.
You have already filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Have you received?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh?
I have gone
You want,
through,
you want to file rejoinder
yes,
or any objection?
I have gone through the summary of assessment. I find some section is missing, like section 30.
But file a reply
Yes,
to the additional affidavit.
yeah. I need further instructions from my leading counsel.
Heard MS with this, we'll say K Nada
K Nanda
or
or KN, KN Malin,
KN, M,
KN, Your Lordship.
M only,
N Malin.
Ah.
I need a further instruction from my leading counsel.
K Nada, then the counsel for the petitioner who submits that she may be granted further 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes, Lord.
3 weeks time to obtain instruction as regards the additional affidavit filed by the
Respondent number 9.
Respondent number 9,
Yes.
in respect of what the award,
Yes,
in
summary.
respect of the award. MS so and so, and are present. Let this matter be listed. No, is sought for by MS. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lord. Oblige, Lord.
Item number 13.
It's taken 5. It's taken by while.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I may be granted 3 more weeks for our affidavit.
yes.
We are yet to receive our vice command.
Your Lordship, counsel is appearing on behalf of respondent. On the previous hearing, this one respondent to stay was taken. Your Lordship.
Press steps.
Yes, Your
It
Lordship.
doesn't show anything. The track, this thing. Track consent report doesn't show anything. It shows that detail not found. You take press step.
Again, Your Lordship.
Yes. When did you take the steps? Last?
Your Lordship, press step was taken on 11th April 2024. And same was submitted before this court.
And again May. 17 May.
Your Lordship.
Last
As what Your Lordship, last press step was taken on 11th April 04 2024, which was completed. And also similarly, it was submitted before this court on the 1905 2020.
1705. May it shows that the press step has not yet taken. In pursuance of the order dated in 1905. Take press steps.
Okay.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. It's granted, but a week's time to take first steps upon respondent number
2. Yeah.
respondent number 2. Okay, respondent number 2. Registered person. You would not like would like to take a steps Dustimon also.
The way.
as well as testimony, huh? MSP Sangita, the council, district council is present. Yes. Next.
Item number 14.
List after 4 weeks. You're right. In the meantime, listed respondents may file their. Yes. What is to be done today?
Private respondent are yet to file it.
Huh?
Private still file here. Private respondent.
Who is private respondent? Further 2 weeks. Huh? Or Mr. Asiran and Council for the prayer of Mr. Huh? Yeah, both of them, Council for the respond number 3 and 4. Further, extend that to private. MSP, pre-Bangladesh State Council is present. You have filed already.
Yes, sir, Lordship, for respondent number 2.
Yes, next.
Item number 15.
This matter, Lordship, already demand note has been submitted by the Deputy Commissioner to the BRO for deposition of that amount, compensation amount. Yeah, it's been almost 9 months now. They are yet to deposit the amount. So why this contempt?
Your Lordship, the respondent, which officer has, the officer has been changed, Your Lordship, na? Yeah, the officer has been changed, Your Lordship. So Your Lordship, we have to get the coordinate, we have to take the correspondence with the authorities for that, Your Lordship.
You are appearing for this, whom?
Sole contemner.
Ankush. Huh?
P. Ankush.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You give up, who is the present, P. Ankush, he'll remain. The present incumbent, you give him the address so that he can be in legal. This will remain. You add, you treat the new officer. Or Mr. J.J. the counsel for the petitioners. It is submitted. No, Mr. A week's time is granted to Mr. J.J. Land counsel for the petitioner to file appropriate application for treatment. Mr. Swain,
Person may be listed after 1 week. I'll do it within 1 week.
Much obliged.
All right.
Item number 17.
I have received the original reports as well as the para-wise comments. But affidavit, some correction is required, so we couldn't find.
Art Mr. J.
I have entered my parent of
Private respondent. Art Mr. S. Jetai.
Yes.
Ketai.
Cheetah.
Sorry. Jetai, that counsel for the on the prayer of Mr. Anderson London's Edison's Advocate General and Mr. K.L.O. London Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Then we have respondent number
5.
Further next time is granted.
Lordship,
To file affidavit.
Lordship,
2 weeks time.
because there is no stay order, Lordship, so may I apply that can it be of 19? Because they have received the reports on previous date also.
19 or
Then in that case, Lordship, stay may be granted. Work is already been carried out. My lord, the work order was issued way back in the month of May. Work, Lordship, it's been only 4 months. So the duration of the work execution is 12 months, 1 year.
LOI.
Can we say that the work has been completed within 2?
why this? It's a different
Package, different package.
One is Liromoga, one is Darak.
Darak.
LOI was issued on
What is the-
4th of June.
supply of that.
Yes. Menrega, same item. Same NIT also same date. of
1 week. He has the thing. 1 week.
Yes, let it be 1 week, sir.
1 week. You find out it when
Let it be on Lordship, may apply credit of the 20.
after a week.
21.
1 week. Minimum 1 week. Because he is entering appearance for the first time today. Minimum 1 week.
Actually, it is the government, Lordship. Otherwise, the rejection, I am challenging only on the rejection part, violation of the clauses.
But then since they are also party, will have to
Yes, Lordship. But at least now there
1 week.
there is no interim order, Lordship.
When
I
1
am
week.
afraid that Lordship, can it be on 21?
Yes, we'll see. Yeah, I am prepared. 1 week.
21.
Item number 18.
It was same.
Same.
Also
Same, Lord.
Same order. Furnish.
That's the service, Lordship. They have received the notice, but petition copy don't receive it. Not possible.
Yeah, furnish.
Anyway, I but
Same order.
Item number 19. Item number 19.
What I state here? Which for respondent here? State of Arunachal Pradesh, Director of Land Management, State Official. Huh? MD. Last time the name of the petitioner was not reflected. Take after some.
Principal seat matter, item number 1.
Yes,
Actually, what happened, Your Lordship, the amount which has been reflected in the order that has been miscalculated and it has been wrongly placed before this honorable court. There's a latches on our part. The correct amount will be, Your Lordship, 6,36,852, which needs to be corrected in paragraph number 2, 6, 11, and 12 of the order, Your Lordship. Actually, the earnest money and the SD money has already been released.
2611.
Paragraph number 2, 6, 11, and 12. In those particular paragraphs, the amount was written as 9,44,289 rupees, Your Lordship. Now,
Yes.
the corrected amount should be 6,36,852. 6,36,852, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, in this particular case, Lordship will kindly see the page number 13.
Any
Page
objection?
number 13. Lordship, here Lordship will find SD money rupees 4,16,000 and earnest money 1,45,500. Lordship 14. Page 13.
Yes.
4,60,238 and 1,45,000. Lordship, I have taken the instruction that has been released. Lordship. So now payment is liability is 6,36,852. So Lordship can
Yes.
modify that.
We can modify it. We can correct it.
Yes,
Lordship,
Your Lordship.
No issue.
no issue. Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
G board, Your Lordship.
D. Bodole, the counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. S.K. Goswami,
Lordship.
the counsel for the opposite party. Said, first one to applicant, place of petition. Said the application for correction of typographical error in respect to bill. Amount mentioned in the order dated 07/03/2025 in WPC 2618 of 2018. Mr. Goswami, Bordole, then counsel for the applicant submits that the amount mentioned is amount mentioned being rupees 9,44,289 has been no, the amount of rupees 9,44,289 mentioned in paragraphs 2, 6, 11 and 12
And 2 Lordship.
has been recorded inadvertently as the actual amount is rupees 6,36,852. List of Mr. Goswami, then counsel for the opposite party, writ petitioner. You're the writ petitioner.
Lordship.
Clearly submits that. In fact, the actual amount is rupees 6,36,852, which appears to have been inadvertently recorded as
9,44,289. Having considered these submissions, also perusal of the court, as well as having been, as well as the court, they addressed it. The actual amount is rupees 6,36,852. And that, and the amount. Come on. Nine next. Okay.
Let's say my humble submission is, let's say, the amount should be released with a short time because it was, this order was passed on March. And it should be paid within a period of 3 months. Now it is, let's say.
It's already there, already there. We're just correcting the amount only.
But
It's already there.
already there to make the payment in 3 months. But already, let's
Huh?
say, order was passed in March. Now it is, let's say, August.
Also, it will be clear within this month.
Let's see my record that.
It's all right. If they don't comply, you
can
avail the remedy.
Let's say I will file the contempt, but they have agreed to take the payment within 1 month. They have agreed now, lots of people is court. So.
It's
let's see my
okay.
record.
Your colleague has assured.
Assured. Verbally. So let's can record it.
Colleague has assured. Have some faith on him. Thank you.
Oblige.
Item number 10 and 11.
Please, my
What is the new ground?
lord, technical grounds, my lord.
What technical ground?
That is ground of arrest, my lord. 47 and 48.
No, it's
That was not supplied, my lord.
too late in a day.
My lord,
Too late in a day.
because,
The charge sheet has already been filed. Trial is going on.
yes, my lord.
I mean, how many witnesses have been examined?
10 witnesses has been examined.
Yes. Wait for some time.
My lord,
You may have a valid ground at this point of time. It's very difficult.
at this point of time, my lord,
You could have taken that on the first day. First day. Now almost trial is over. This is judgment, observation of the Supreme Court. Your observation, there is equally another observation of the Supreme
lord,
Court.
one thing I like
In
to draw.
cases like rape and POXO,
My lord, this honorable court has already granted bail by taking these situations and 47 and 48 DNS violations in commercial quantity cases. And also
there is an NDPS case.
NDPS case.
No, here is it's a. What is this case? This NDPS.
NDPS case. Commercial quantity. This court has granted.
10 and 11. This is NDPS.
No.
According to this matter. On Monday, along with PA 76 of 2025. We'll take it about that. Kindly inform her. Kindly inform Hama. Yes. Kindly inform Mr. MS Duncan.
Item number 19.
Unlisted.
Item number 21.
Malo, this is a transfer matter. For violation of provision of ornamental rights is granted. Then constitution to the petitioner. Then transfer and posting order of video issued by order number that page 2, your Honor. Cost item. Page 2 cost item. Transfer and posting order of the block development officer issued by order number Department Rural Development number so and so dated 18/7/2025 by Secretary RD Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Whereby the petitioner has been transferred from Yachuli under Kri Panjab district to Koloreng under Kurungkame district to hold the charge of Deputy Director Rural Development Kurungkame district Arunachal Pradesh. Lordship, joining report dated 25/7/2025 of the petitioner reporting his formal joining as Deputy Director Kurungkame district in pursuance of the order of the transfer and posting issued by the Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Lordship, WT fax message of the joining dated 29/7/2025 bearing memo number so and so Kurungkame dated so and so 29/7/2025 of the Deputy Commissioner Kurungkame addressed to the Director RD Itanagar informing him of joining of the petitioner at Kurungkame as a Deputy Director. Lordship, then impugn order. This is WT message. This is the impugn order. WT fax message dated 01/08/2025 of the Joint Director Rural Development Itanagar informing the Deputy Commissioner Kurungkame district regarding withdrawal of order dated 18/7/25 allowing the petitioner to hold the charge of Deputy Director RD Kurungkame district. For non-consideration of the representation dated 5/8/25 submitted by the petitioner requesting the Secretary RD Government of Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar for implementation of transfer and posting order dated 18/7/2025. And you, Lordship, then UO number MLA 19 Yaping 2025 transfer postings -78 dated 21/7/2025 initiated by Honorable MLA Yaping ST Assembly Constituency requesting the Honorable Minister RD for cancellation of transfer and posting order dated 18/7/2025 and proposing another officer in place of the petitioner. Also, this is the case. For direction upon the correspondent authority to allow the petitioner to remain as a Deputy Director Kurungkame District Koloreng for violation of the principle of national justice and administrative fair laws. Also, the here petitioner is presently working as a Deputy Director under Rural RD, Rural Department Koloreng under Kurungkame District. Also, page number 8 of para 3. Page number 8 also. That the petitioner begged to state that the Government of Arunachal Pradesh issued transfer and posting order of the block development officer in short video of the Rural Development Department Government of Arunachal Pradesh by its order number dated order number DRD 11014. Also page 8, 27/2024 DRD dated 18/7/2025. By this order, the petitioner was transferred from Yachuli under Kri Panjab district and posted at Kurungkame district Koloreng as Deputy Director RD Kurungkame district, and accordingly, the petitioner had joined at his place of posting as Deputy Director RD, submitting his joining report dated 25/7/25 at DC office Kurungkame. The DC Kurungkame has intimated the joining report of the petitioner to the Director RD Government of Arunachal Pradesh by Itanagar WT message by memo number so and so dated 29/7/22. Now, page number 21 is the transfer and posting order. Page number 21. Page number 21 is the transfer order that this Government of Arunachal Pradesh Department of Rural Development. In continuation of this department, dated 18 July 25. This is the original transfer order. In continuation of this department order number DRD 1 and so, the DR 2024 DRD dash RD dated 7/5/25 and the even number dated 17/6/25. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to allow the following block development officer to hold the charge of deputy director RD in the district indicated against each in their own grade and scale of pay in the interest of the public service until further order. So petitioner is Lordship serial number 11. Serial number 11 Lordship. Serial number 4 from Yachuli, Ki Panyar district to Kurungkame. Serial number 11 Lordship. Page number 21. And thereafter, as per this order, the petitioner joined on 25 July, page 23, annexure 3 Lordship. 23.
Anybody has been posted
No, yeah.
in your place?
No. Lordship, this totally, I'll come to the point. Lordship, this joining report is done. And this was again acknowledged, joining report acknowledged by Kurungkame Deputy Commissioner to the Director RD Lordship. That is on dated 25/7/2025. 29/7/2025. And thereafter, Lordship, what happened? When he joined and performing his duty, everything he shifted from Yachuli, all family members, they shifted to the coloring. Then what happened, Lordship? Suddenly, impugn WT message of recalling. That's Lordship. In page number 20, Lordship. Impugn order. This is the page 20, Lordship. When he was performing his duty sincerely, dedication, then suddenly one text message, WT message from the director to the deputy commissioner coloring, stating that dated on 01/08/2025, stating that his transfer order has been recalled, withdrawn, Lordship. And this is the order that so and so that 25/7 to the refer order of the even number that 18/7. Lordship, original transfer 18/7, whereby Sri petitioner name video was allowed to hold the charge of the deputy director RD in coloring under Kurungkame district. Stand withdrawn. So petitioner name to report to the directorate immediately until further order. Lordship, this is the so I am just this is impugn order. So I am praying before approaching before this court, having no option, approaching before this court for set aside stay this impugn order. Lordship, then what happened? After that, I came to know through reliable sources, I have been transferred again within a month by through political initiation. That is not it. That's page number 27, Lordship. Lordship, annexure 6. Page number 27.
I've seen it.
Lordship, request for cancellation of transfer and posting of Ipataro as deputy director, Kurungkame. Order number so and so, dated 18 July 25. This is with reference to the above cited order regarding the transfer and posting of Sri Ipataro from Yachuli City Block to coloring as deputy director. It is submitted for your kind consideration that Sri Ipataro was recently transferred out from Nyopin City Block. He was not transferred from City, he was transferred to Yachuli. This was also misleading, which falls under Kurungkame. In this context, I respectfully request that the said transfer and posting order be cancelled. Furthermore, it is propagated that Sri Wan Chagam Dolo or any efficient senior officer we consider for posting as a deputy director Kurungkame in his place, according with the joint recommendation of the undersigned. So and so and so and so. So due to this note initiated by the public leader. So I have been made as a scapegoat, and my career has been my health and my the service has been hampered.
Is it correct that you have been recently posted out from Yapim City Block?
No, not yet. I
was recently
in order itself reflected from Kui Panyar was from Yachuli. In order to transfer orders, the Yachuli CD block where it is in the reflected in the transfer order also. Lordship, and I am the senior most, and as per government Arunachal Pradesh, only senior most the video, they are allowed to hold the deputy director. Lordship, kindly here order, there was cabinet decision. Cabinet, one cabinet nothing, page 28 also. Page 28. In the interest of the public service and the winding up of the DRDA in state and in pursuance of the cabinet decision by minute number so and so dated 2nd April 2025. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to discontinue the post of project director RD in the state with immediate effect. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order that all APCS officer posted as project director RD in the state stand reported to their parent department with immediate effect. Also further, the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to notify that for smooth implementation and monitoring of rural development scheme, APCS officer with minimum 8 years of service posted in the district will be given the charge of ex officio deputy director rural development in 14 district also. And senior most block development officer will be looking after the deputy director rural development in remaining 13 district of the state. A separate executive order will be passed respectively, and the 14 district will and 14 district and the 13 district is respectful. 13 is respectful. Then let's now come to the page number 30. 30 also. Now 30 type copy is 31, which is much clearer. So here see now this 14 district will be looked after by APS officer for rural development. And this 13 district to be manned by the video RD department officer. That is 13. Total is 13. Is basing on that order this one. And based on this 13, and I have been transferred. I was holding the charge of Yachuli. From Yachuli, I was again transferred to Coloring under Kurungkame district. As a capacity to hold the charge of deputy director and rural department. So let's now see. So main is that now, as per basing on this note sheet, the fact come to the light when the petitioner seek information from the respondent authority, the region for the arbitrary withdrawal of the said transfer. Let's see page number 10 in my petition, para 15. From the respondent authority, region for the arbitrary withdrawal of the said transfer and posting of the petitioner. It is evident from the letter written by the Honorable Minister. Open to the Honorable Minister RD Government Arunachal Pradesh by so and so. In this UL letter, the Honorable MLA concerned has requested the Minister concerned to cancel the asset transfer and posting order and go on to propose one so and so, the person name. He is a block development officer, and this recommended person is my junior. In my serial service line also, he is junior to me. I have annexed the document.
Departmental video. Department officer.
Yes. Departmental.
It's also video.
Working at Anjo. Presently, he is posted at Anjo. And he has been accommodated in place of me going to accommodate. So this is lots of unjustified, illegal, and such should not allow by this report because we have to set the clock back.
But then your thing is given the in charge.
No.
Not a substantive post.
No, Lordship. Not like that. In charge means that means I have been posted as a capacity from Yachuli. They are also I have been transferred.
In charge of deputy director in the district against your own grade and scale of pay.
Now that is
posting video.
Video. Senior video. I am a senior video. As per the decision, I am eligible.
So does it indicate that whether there's a senior video or video? It's only video.
The video, senior video. That is seniority of this list, Lordship, kindly, uh,
Okay. Yes.
What's the investigating?
Status quo.
Lordship,
Status quo.
Lordship, Lordship, dispute case, Lordship, interfere,
Status quo.
Lordship. Lordship,
One thing, I think it's not clear from the bidding process. I think this is still the video of the HP. And if he has been given additional charge of the director following, it's since those it's the
no, this transfer order is clear.
It up next week. If not, then the instruction till then. Status quo.
Lordship,
Maintenance.
Lordship.
And Mr. Nabab Regum.
Regam Nabam, sir.
Ragum Nabab.
Yes.
Learn counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the WT message that is 0108-2025 issued by the Joint Director,
Should be joint director.
Rural Development Department, Government of Armature Pradesh, whereby the petitioner, with serving as a video. Who
Deputy director, Lordship.
no, petitioner video who has been allowed to hold the charge of deputy director within the card in Colonial under Kume district, Kume district. Is sought to be withdrawn and report to the directorate immediately for further order. It is the contention of the petitioner that he was transferred and posted. It's posted to hold the charge of the director in the Army from Yachudi City Block
Actually, city block to
Colorium
city block.
in the Kurukuma district, along with 12 others.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Total 13,
Okay.
earlier, it was
Including 12
yes.
others. So, the petitioner, it is alleged that the petitioner is sought to be replaced by someone. No, replaced. What is it? Last one. It is the contents, it is the further contention, it is the further contention of the petitioner that after the transfer order dated 18/07/2025. He has already joined at Coloria. And the petitioner is sought to be replaced by
Initiation by initiation.
no, just by some junior officers. Replaced by a junior officer at the behest of the member of, at the behest of local MLA. You know, that is 21/07/2025. Requesting for cancellation of the transfer posting of the petitioner and deputy director.
That's what the thought is. Then senior government will forget. Enters appearance and exits notices of behalf. All the response. Therefore, not only notice. Exit notice, but. Next, you're not well. Posting for cancellation of the crossword posting of the petition at deputy director. Who was posted by an order dated 18 July 2025. Prior proceeding not permissible under the law. It is provided the petitioner. The status of identity shall be paid. They start to obtain instruction. With next step is to the door. But issuing not, we're not issuing notice. 26. 26, you say. 26. First. This is the letter of 26.
Master.
Item number 19.
Not appears for the petition on however, Mr. Yes, the pitman smooth and red. Next, that's very good.